today's video, I'm going to show you our room here at Punta Cana, at Grand Palladium, Punta Cana. And so this room is the Junior Suite Garden View. So upon entering, guys, you can see that there's a full size mirror here. And on your right, there's a big area closet. There's a safe here. There's a safe. There are drawers, so you can put your stuff here. Oops. There's another closet in this area, but we don't want to open that. Here is our washroom. So upon entering, you have your toilet, and then double sink, and there's a bathtub with jacuzzi. Pretty standard, and it comes with like a frosted mirror for privacy. But I don't recommend this room if you guys are not couple, because technically you can see the silhouette inside. So this room is the junior suite. So this is what I'm saying earlier. This is the frosted glass. So if you want your privacy, just close it. Okay. So we have a king size bed. It comes with all the linings. It comes with plugs, USB plugs. You can also control your lighting. And this one comes with a flat screen TV. Alright, so this junior suite room comes with king bed, but you can also ask for 2 double beds. So it comes with king bed, it comes with this 2 night tables. It's perfect if you guys wear your seat back. And it comes with a pull-out bed. So if you guys share a third person who will stay here. And because this is a garden view, this is our view outside. So it comes with like a little veranda here where you can do your coffee. But we're very close to the beach, so it's technically it's not a garden, it's like a beach, where you can access the outside from here. See? We're close to, like, I don't know, I think this is Poseidon. We're very close to there. Yeah, like the beach side and the pool. Alright. It remains This room is a little bit on the dated side. Definitely they need to do some upgrade to keep from other resort at par. But everything's okay. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of video, please do like this video and share it so you can see more content. Have a great night and we're gonna enjoy Punta Cana. Bye bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please don't forget to click the notification bell button so you're gonna be updated with my future Canadian life and travel vlogs. Peace out.